Hi, in this video let me show you how you can connect your HP laptop to a projector using an HDMI cable. Let's get started right away. Step number one is to find the HDMI port on your HP laptop. Mine is located on the right side on the top here. If you do not see an HDMI port on either on the left or the right side, it means that the only way to connect your laptop to this projector will be using a USB Type-C to HDMI cable. But since in my case I do have an HDMI port, I'll go ahead, take my HDMI cable, connect one end over here, and the other end in the projector. This projector has many inputs. I'll find the HDMI port over here and I connect it. Next, go ahead and power the projector. I'll have to connect it to a power source. After turning on the projector, it should be recognized automatically by your HP laptop. It's a bit hard to show you, but right now the projector is mirroring. It's showing exactly what's on my HP display. You can change the settings in case you want to extend the display on the projector. To do that and change different settings, including resolution, go into the Start button, select Settings, select on the left side System, Display. Over here you have duplicate these displays, so whatever is showing here will also show on your projector. If you want to change that, you can select, instead of this option, extend these display. If you select that option, keep changes. The one selected in blue currently is the screen of your HP laptop, and over here the number 2 is your projector. So depending where you have put the image of your projector, let's say on the left side, you can move it around. So you'll be able to drag files on the projector screen. Don't forget to press apply. If you select your projector screen, here, number 2, you can also have more options down below, including if you want to turn on and off HDR, if it's compatible, selecting the display resolution, and other menus, other options you can change. If you intend to use your PC HP laptop with a projector, but you want to keep the lid of the laptop closed and still use the projector, in that case we need to change a few settings. So again, we are in the display. For this to work, it needs to be duplicate these display. Next, after clicking keep changes, you're going to select System again. You should select Power and Battery here. Go down, select Lid and Power button controls. And here, where you see Plugged in, closing the lid will make my PC. Make sure that you select Do Nothing. And over here on Battery, same thing. Closing the lid will make my PC do nothing. So let me just do that here. Okay, once you have select that, if you close the lid of your laptop, it will turn off for a few seconds, but then your projector will come back alive and you'll be able to use your laptop with your projector even though the lid is turned off. But for this to work, don't forget to connect an external mouse and also external keyboard if you need one, since you won't be able to access those. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next video.